In this week's Talent on the Rise, let's meet one-time Digicel Rising Stars finalist, Papito.
Peter is the original Love Prince. He's a person who sings, performs songs, not just for the ladies, or mostly for the ladies, but also positive, uplifting songs. Right? So when you think about Papito, you think about the Love Prince, not just love for the ladies, but love for life, appreciation for life. You know what I mean? That's me.
Tell us what's your real name and where you're from.
So my name is Garner Ferguson. I'm originally from St. Mary, and then I'm now in Kingston, Ellison Flats. Ellison Flats, big up yourself. St. Mary crew, big up on yourself. St. Mary's Eye crew, big up on yourself. Give Thanks is an inspirational song for me, and that's coming out the 7th of September. So you can follow me on IG, Papito_music, MUSIK, to know more about these songs. Lose Control, that's tearing the place in Aruba and everywhere in the States and right now in UK. That's also on YouTube and all social media platforms.
Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks for another day in this life, another chance to make it right. Take time to fight the strife, give thanks for life, live while surviving.
The song coming out is called Give Thanks, produced by Frankie Music, big bad producer, crazy producer. It has a very deep background because it was written based on a true experience I had with my car accident, as I said in the audience, and that kind of inspired the entire song to just give thanks to life. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life. You wake up to start a brand new day, just give thanks to life.
What was the journey been for you?
Up and down. I can't complain because I've received disappointments, but I've also received appointments. Right? I was a part of Digicel Rising Stars. I didn't win, but it gave me a platform and person got to know me even better. I entered in 2012. I was in the top 10 finalists.
Another chance to make things right. Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks for another day. Listen, if you give thanks, or ever see more, give thanks, give thanks. Give thanks for another day in this life.
St. Thomas-based reggae artist Jamie King has this week's music video premiere. Here's All Together as One.
Together as one, come make we go plant up the land. Oh joy, together as one, make we jump to dirty Babylon. Yeah, together as one, come make we go plant up the land. Oh joy, I got feeling afraid of police. Up in at the hills, we plant the green temoli. Vegeta crew, love to be in them soon read. Double world food feast. Yeah, it's getting better, so beautiful. Oh, when we are together, each one teach one. I beg you help you better. I them the type of thing they make the future better. Together as one, make we jump with the Babylon. Yeah, together as one, come make we go plant up the land. Oh joy, together as one, oh make we jump with the Babylon. Yeah, together as one, plant up the land. Oh joy, me understand say from now no bluffing and them matter fight them.
There's more coming up on this week's show, so stay tuned. We'll be right back.
The sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. My friend them pan the corner, me I link them out, we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me say, I ride cool, me say, I play cool, me say, I stay cool, me say, I drink cool, me say. My friend them Billy Street them with I cool, them drink it in them with I cool for life, I cool for life.
One more shot.
stand strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit